Tankstorm Tool Chest Heavy-Duty Cart Steel Rolling Toolbox 5-Drawer Cart is an ideal cabinet for your tool storage solution. The rubber mat is attached to the top of the cart and an EVA mat is added inside of each drawer. The heavy-duty steel handle is attached at the right side of the cart and the side tray is fixed at the left side of the cart. Ball bearing slides are for all the drawers, contributing to smooth and comfortable pulling out. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High-quality material and finish. This rolling toolbox is made of high-quality cold-rolled steel, being durable and sturdy. The powder coating finish can prevent superior scratches and chemical resistance. Number 2. Enough storage space. 5 drawers can be used for the storage of different tools. Number 3. Locking mechanism. The 5 drawers can be locked for extra security. Number 4. Easy to move. This rolling cart is equipped with 2 4-inch to swivel casters with brake and the other 2 4-inch swivel casters without brake, which allows the cart to move around smoothly and easily. Number 5. Dimension and weight. Product dimensions. 24¼ inches length by 13 inches width by 30 inches height. Product weight 52.1 pounds. Number 6. Solid top with non-slip mat. The solid top with a non-slip mat offers a platform as a workbench. Number 7. Side tray. Side tray provides extra space to load some small hand tools, for example, the screwdriver, pliers, and so on. Number 8. Ball bearing slides. Ball bearing slides on the drawers to ensure the 40 pounds loading capacity for each drawer. Number 9. Strong side handle. The side steel handle helps to push and pull the cart easily, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.